Hi guys, good morning. I just stopped by to check the garden and this is what we have. Need some harvesting, and some animals have decided that we are not eating this anchia this time around. I don't know what to do. How do I send them away, guys? You see? They're eating the leaves of the anchia. How do I help the situation? Any suggestions? I'll be so grateful, guys. All the birds are being eaten. I don't know why. The corn is doing really well. Let's go down and see what we have in the water leaf area. Yes, our water leaf. Not doing bad. I think it's been 2 weeks since we planted it, so this is not bad at all. Right? The corn here looks miserable. I don't know why. Okay, so we just harvested bitter leaf a few days ago. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm so sad about my anchia plants that have been eaten. Someone help me, please. My anchia plants are being eaten. How do I send the animals away? Someone help me, please. So this vegetable here, this huckleberry here, I didn't plant it. This one grew on its own. And I've already harvested it one time. And I added some water leaf in here. And some bitter leaf, I think. Which I'm not seeing yet. Oh my god. And here is our bitter leaf. The animals are eating the bitter leaf too, guys. See. You see that? They're eating the bitter leaves. Someone help me. Okay. So I need help to send the animals away. If not, And then here is my green. They're eating the green as well. Not the animals, but the insects, right? So I have something I put on the insects. I put on the vegetables to drive the insects away. So I need to look for that. But this green is ready for harvest, so I'll need to come and harvest this one soon. Mami Nyanga. Yeah. Okay, don't come to the garden if you don't want dirt. Let's go check the njama. So bitter leaf is doing well. Alright guys, so here is our huckleberry. Njama. It's not doing bad, but it's not also doing as good as I wanted it to. The beds are too empty. I don't know why. So here's what we have. So the only fruit I left in this garden was my blackberry, and it is just growing wild. See that? So let's go back. That is it. That's the updates of what our garden looks like. and today is August 1st. All right, guys. Bye. That's it. That's it. Bye. Bye, guys.